AML treatment is currently changing and evolving. Chemotherapy and stem cell transplant remain important, but newer treatments are increasingly designed around the specific biology of a person's leukemia. Here are the main developments to know about in 2026. AML is not just one single disease. Today, molecular testing can identify mutations and other features that may make a patient eligible for specific targeted treatments. Unlike traditional chemotherapy, these medicines are designed to target particular weaknesses in the leukemia cells. This is why knowing the molecular profile of your AML is increasingly important. Recent years have brought several important approaches. There are more targeted medicines for specific AML mutations, newer lower-intensity combinations for patients who cannot tolerate intensive chemotherapy, and maintenance treatments for some patients who achieve remission. A particularly new development is menin inhibitors, a class of targeted medicines for certain genetically defined forms of AML that previously had few targeted options. New AML medicines are not approved everywhere at the same time. A treatment may be available in the US, Europe, or Japan, while patients elsewhere are still waiting for approval, reimbursement, or local availability. Some of the newest AML medicines in 2026 are still only approved in one country. That is why it can be useful to follow new approvals globally, not just in your own country. To do so, simply sign up for our monthly AML treatment updates using the link below this video. Being able to proactively discuss novel treatments with your doctor may open new treatment options for you. With a prescription from your treating doctor, you can access novel medicines from abroad long before they are available in your country. All the resources and our monthly AML updates are linked below.